Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the step-by-step tool in Magic School. Okay, so I'm going to click on the step-by-step tool. Okay, and it starts by saying, hello, I'm here to help you write the step-by-step instructions. Okay, and so it wants to know what topic are we writing about today. Okay, and what this tool is going to do is it's going to help us make our instructions really clear and easy to follow. Okay, so I'm going to just start with my topic, how to do a cartwheel. Now it wants to know what are the steps that someone needs to do a cartwheel. And so it says, tell me in your own words, and then I'll help you make them even clearer. Okay. So if you don't want to type it all, you can click right here where it says start recording, okay? Or you can go ahead and type it. I'm going to click start recording. A cartwheel, you start with both hands raised above your head next to your ears. And you start with one foot out in front of you. And then you put one hand down on the ground and your back leg is going to flip over while your other hand touches the ground, and then when your other hand touches the ground, your other foot comes off the ground, and then you end up with both hands in the air and both feet on the ground. And I'm going to say stop recording. So here it wrote that for me. Now you can proofread it and make sure it sounds right. And then I'm going to say send a message. So now it's giving me some things to help me. Okay. So it says you mentioned starting with hands up and one foot in front. Could you make that into step 1? So I know that I'm going to make that step 1. Okay. So I might write that down on my paper as step 1. Then what's the very next thing that happens? You mentioned putting one hand down. That could be step 2. Okay. What happens after the first hand goes down? So I need to make that a little bit more clear. Also, it says, I said one hand, and then I said your other hand. And so it would help my readers if I pick which hand goes first. So actually specify, is it the right hand or is it the left hand? And so that might actually change my title, because my title might be how to do a right-handed cartwheel. Okay, because I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do a right-handed cartwheel. Okay, and then it says try breaking your explanation into 3 or 4 smaller steps. So what I can do is I can either repeat it here in my steps, or I can type it. Okay? And so as you can see, I redid this, I respoke it, and I'm going to hit send message. So now it gave me some more helpful ideas. So this one is especially good right here where it says, what should someone do to get ready before they even start? Like making sure they have space, and if they should practice on grass or a mat. So a softer surface rather than a hard surface. So that might be something that I want to revise what I have written to make my writing better. Okay. And so it wants me to try rewriting step 3, which is all of this into smaller pieces. So I'm going to do that. And so I'm going to keep doing this. Remember, it's not going to be perfect the first time you try it. So I'm going to keep redoing it until I am happy with what I get and that it's clear. And this is how you'll use the step-by-step tool.